Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and having a great life. Today in this video I have come up with amazing crochet mirror pattern designs, and like crochet mirror decoration designs can be customized to match any style or color scheme according to your wall, allowing for a personalized touch to your home decor. And plus, crochet mirror decoration designs are handmade, making them unique and one of a kind. And as well as crochet mirror decoration designs are often more affordable than store-bought decorations, as they only require yarn and a crochet hook. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys to, if you are planning to decorate your mirror, go for the crochet designs and patterns, and you can create any type of design according to your choice, and you can take orders if you are selling the products related to crochet, so you can get a variety of patterns from this video. And crochet mirror decorations designs are eco-friendly since they are made from yarn, which is sustainable material, and it is a very unique way. Like crochet mirror decorations designs make unique and thoughtful gifts for friends and family. You can help improve crochet skills and techniques by designing different type of crochet patterns on daily basis. Like creating something beautiful with your own hands can bring a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. This is my point of view. All up to you guys and your choice. So I am giving you just an idea that how can you modify your wall, your mirror, and you can increase the home decor by crocheting these type of stuff. So if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.